Hi, I'm Sadek, and at Prismic we are hiring smart engineers, and I thought of introducing Prismic a bit for you. What we do, we develop publication tools and an editor for developers so that they can integrate them in their websites to turn content into editable for the whole team, including non-developers. Myself, I'm a developer. Well, used to be, as my team liked to remind me about. But I like understanding programming languages and frameworks profoundly. Probably because I'm lazy and I don't want to check documentation every time I need something. I really tend to like software architecture, distributed systems, and user experience. I like challenging old solutions and habits. Probably that what makes us pretty opinionated. As a developer, you will end up working on different things, probably software architecture or implementing new features. I'll give you some examples. Uh, Raphael, for instance, he worked on a system that pulls data and logs from CloudFront, inserts them into a database, and then shows them as nice graphs in a dashboard. Also, he uses this data to use Stripe to build these customers about their usage. He uses Scala and React and several other technologies.
Hi, I'm Gabe. I'm creating a prediction system that learns what content is on your website and displays it via a list of documents in a user interface that implements React, Redis, and a few other cool tricks. Also, I'm working on a Gatsby plugin that allows users to query Apollo style with all the benefits of Gatsby.
Recently, I worked on a GraphQL server implementation. It was in Scala, and I used a library called Sangria. I had to on-the-fly generating GraphQL schema based on dynamic data.
It doesn't matter what is your native spoken language, as long as you can communicate with the team in some kind of English. We also don't care about the programming language or framework that you are currently using. What is more important is your ability to learn, your curiosity, and the fact that you care about the result that we are delivering to our clients. For that, we do a lot of UX research by trying to challenge old solutions and saying no to traditional ideas.
We believe we're not robots. We have emotions, we have our passions, and probably that one makes us creative after all. And for working hours, it doesn't matter how many hours you spend per day working. What matters the most is the value of the work that you bring and the quality of it. Of course, we expect you to spend some time with the team because it's important for the team cohesion. Unfortunately, we don't accept remote work. We're not organized for that. But you will end up working in Paris, charming city.
So I hope you don't, but you probably hate salespeople. But my job here is just to help people figure out if Prismic's a good fit for them or not. Overselling our solution is just going to make for unhappy users. They're going to put pressure on the product team and the developers to put out features we don't have or don't even want.
What I like is that every day I get to talk and work with people who are behind great services, which I have used in the past and even presently, like Made.com, Zalando, and Backmarket, for example. So it's really cool.
And about the company, we are profitable. No VCs, no funding needed. We have the cash. And this is by choice. We want to own our decisions. So if all of this makes sense for you, we need to talk or to talk or I don't know which direction, but YouTubers do that.
You know how they call a CMS in French? Le CMS.